Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is an all-day clean with me, so it is packed with cleaning motivation to help you tackle your to-do list as well today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing that was on my list today was to strip the bed so I can get that in the wash. I always do that first thing in the morning whenever it is the day that it needs washing, just so I can then do the rest of the house while that is washing and drying, because by the time the rest of the house is done, it's always time to be putting the bedding back on the bed. So the timing always works out really well when I do it this way. So I'm just going to stick this in the washing machine before I can then move on and do the kitchen. So I did make sure to do the washing up before I went to bed last night, because I knew that I had so much to get done today and I didn't want to be washing up all morning. So I'm just going to put away the stuff that I did the night before. I think I've only got 1 or 2 cups and glasses from this morning to do. So once everything's been put away and all of the washing up's done, I can then go in and give the sink a good clean and just get it all decluttered. So I'm sure you know the drill by now, but I'm now going in with my Cif cream, and then I'll go over that with the white vinegar spray afterwards. I just love a good shiny sink. So if you haven't been here before, the sink is one of my favourite things to clean. I just love how it looks when it's all finished. It makes the kitchen feel complete, and it's just so satisfying to do.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
I just love how shiny the white vinegar makes everything. It just really buffs it up and it makes it look finished, and I just love doing this every time I clean the sink. So now that's done, of course I'm going to fill up the sink with my favourite warm cinnamon Sephora scent, so I can then wipe down all of the sides and cupboards, get everything smelling super festive and Christmassy whilst disinfecting everything at the same time.
And filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now, and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that.
So once the kitchen was all done, it was time to head through into the living room and do the same thing in there. Because we do have a free roam rabbit, we have to be really careful of what we leave on the floor overnight. So everything just gets piled up on the sofas because he's not jumping that high at the moment, so he can't reach anything. So we just pile everything up there, and then in the morning I go round and put everything back where it belongs. So I'm just going to go in and sort out the blankets and cushions and just whiz round, give it a good tidy up before I can then go in and give it a hoover and polish and really freshen the room up for the day.
Oh, baby, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises, no. Did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh, baby, baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you, hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Oh, baby, baby, I don't know what to say. Every beginning's gonna end up the same. Spare me your thoughts and get out of my way. Baby, 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 baby. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you, hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. It's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Oh, devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Shoulder, hey. Don't you look at me like that, hey, like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. Cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your
So once I had the downstairs done, it was time to put the bedding back on the bed. The timing always works out really well, which is why I put it in the wash first thing in the morning. But I just love having fresh, clean sheets. Crawling into bed after a long day with a freshly made bed is such a nice feeling, and it also just makes the whole bedroom have such a nicer vibe to it. It's just so clean and fresh and relaxing. I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the bedding back on the bed before we can then go through and sort out my laundry room.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face that shit.
So once that was all done, it was time to sort out the washing that I hung up the day before. As you can see, there's not too much to do. I just have a couple of tops that need ironing, and then I need to get the rest put away just to empty this room out ready for my next wash load.
And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to
I really hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for today. Now I have my house in order and everything is nice and clean. I'm going to go around lighting some candles and putting the lights on just to make it feel nice and cozy so I can relax for a little while with a nice hot chocolate. I really hope you have enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you back here in the next one.